Hi, my name is Dr. Mari Adad. I'm a podiatrist at the Pro Sports Club in Bellevue. What I'm going to talk to you about today is about how to pick a shoe. The most common question I get is, what is the best shoe? The answer to that is there is no best shoe. The best shoe is what fits for you. So how I'm going to tell you is how to figure that out. First of all, what you have to figure out is what your foot type is. There are 3 foot types. Number 1 is a high arch. Number 2 is a neutral or normal arch, and number 3 is a flat arch. Now, how to determine that? The easiest way is to actually get a wet footprint. So get your foot wet, step on a piece of paper that's dry, of course, and see if you have a C shape, a kind of semi-C shape, or a straight flat shape. The C shape is a high arch. The one in between that and the flat shape or the square shape is going to be neutral. Then you have your square or flat shape. That is a flat foot or a low arch. So once you've determined that, then you proceed to the shoe store to determine which of those shoes has that bottom shape. That's the easy way to tell is how the bottom is shaped. It's going to be either curved, semi-curved, or a straight block. Now this one particularly is more like a square shape. That's typically for a flat foot. The next step you determine is how the shoe will function. So most feet will only bend in certain ways. So you should test the shoe with 3 points. The first point of testing is what we call flexion stability. It should only flex at the toes where your toes bend. So you take the shoe, compress it from heel to toe. It should bend where your toes are going to bend. That's a good shoe. The next thing is the twisting of the shoe. We call it torsional stability. So you take the shoe and try to twist it like you would a wet rag, like you're trying to wring water out of that rag. If it doesn't twist in the arch, then you've got a good stability shoe there. It's torsional stability. And the final, third thing is to see the heel. If it's a stable shoe, it should be very stable at the heel itself. So you should press from side to side. It shouldn't compress. That's pretty hard, and I'm pressing pretty hard on that. So if it doesn't collapse on you, you've got good heel counter stability. To review, the first thing you want to find out is your foot type, whether it's high, low, or a flat foot. And then you go to the store to figure out the shape of that shoe, whether it's a straight, curved, or semi-curved shape, and then the 3 points of stability: flexion, torsional, and heel counter stability. In the end, what matters is how the shoe fits to your foot. You try 3 different brands, 3 different models, and the one that fits like a glove to your foot is the right shoe for you. I'm Dr. Mari Adad. I'm at Pro Sports Club Bellevue. Thank you very much.